Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yosifa Nurul Fahmi, and you can call me Yosi. I was born on October 4, 2004. I come from Jambi, Sumatra Island. My address is on Mujar Street, Moradelang Village, Tabir Selatan District, Merangin Regency, and Jambi Province. I'm the fourth child of two siblings. I have a younger brother. His name is Husni Mubarak. He studies in 6th grade of elementary school. And my mother is Titi Fatmawati. My mother is a housewife. And my father is a farmer. His name is Edi Supriyono. Well, first, I will describe myself. My name is Yosifa Nurul Fahmi, and I have height is 148 centimeter. I'm 20 years old. I have brown skin and a curvy body. I have black eyes, and I study at one of the famous university in Padang, namely Padang State University. Well, here I will describe a little about my life journey from I was elementary school until I study at university. In the past, I studied at one of the elementary school in my area, namely 241 elementary school, and every morning I always went to school enthusiastically because every morning my mother prepared breakfast for me, and at school I could learn and play with my friends. At school I really liked volleyball, playing rubber jumping and other games because they made me feel healthier. And when I entered junior high school, I was told by my parents to study at the Islamic boarding school. So I entered one of the Islamic boarding school in Tebo district, which is famous for its discipline and quality of education, namely the Raudatul Mujahidin Islamic boarding school. At first, I found it difficult to adapt and the new environment in Islamic boarding school because I had to live far from my family, and I also experienced culture shock because the daily schedule of activity at the Islamic boarding school had been very full. At the boarding school, besides studying general subjects such as mathematics and English, I also learned religion, science such as Quranic, Hadith, and etc. Many classic Islamic books had been studied by me, as like Fathul Qorib, Ta'limut Ta'alim, Amsilati, Jurumiyah, and other classic books, which I can mention one by one. Apart from that, I also try to be active in a leadership organization and religious activities to deepen my understanding of Islam. And finally, I was able to complete my junior high school education at the Islamic boarding school because I feel comfortable in the Islamic boarding school environment, so I decided to continue my high school education at the Islamic boarding school too. In this Islamic boarding school, I was taught many kinds of knowledge, from religion and general subjects to higher levels. At the Islamic boarding school too, I was guided by my teacher to be ready to continue myself after finishing studying at the Islamic boarding school. Although living in a boarding school had many rules and challenges, I feel that the experience was invaluable. Here, I learned about independence, discipline, and the important things of maintaining good relationship with others. And I also realized that religion knowledge and worldly knowledge must go hand in hand to become a well-balanced person. After graduating from the Islamic boarding school, I continued my studies at the Padang State University, taking a major recommended by my teacher and my parents, namely elementary school teacher education. I feel like I'm the right place because here I meet good people who always remind me when I make mistakes. And I think this is a gift that I should be grateful for. Although college assessments were often difficult and time-consuming, I always try my best to complete it. I have believed that education is the key to success. That is why I decided to continue my education by going to college. And now here I am. I'm studying at the Padang State University. I want to be able to get knowledge that is not only useful for me, but also for other people. So that's I decided to become a teacher. I'm certainly in my first semester and taking English course. The class is taught by Miss Alice Murianti, one of the most competent lecturers I've ever had. At first, I felt nervous because I thought my English skills weren't very good. But after attending a few classes, I started to feel more confident. Miss Alice explained the material clearly and passionately. She often gives examples that are easy to understand and always for us to actively practice speaking and writing in English. Miss Alice always gives us support and construction feedback. This course has not only improved my English skill, but also helped me become more confident in speaking in public. I'm grateful to learn from a lecturer like Miss Alice, and I hope to continue growing in the future. In the future, I will try to become someone who can have a positive impact to people around me. Even though it's not easy, I will try again and again. Maybe just it I can share to you all. If you found my mistake, please forgive me. Adalah saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.